Hi friends, today I am with the Cubo handheld gimbal and this is by Hero Group, and in this video we are going to do the unboxing. The price written on the box is not the final pricing, so you have to watch the video till last to know the final pricing. And it comes with the 3-axis stabilization, so we will check what is inside the box, what are the features it is offering and how it works. Talking about the features, it comes with the detachable tripod stand. It has a 5 hour of playback time. It comes with the time-lapse mode. It has a face and an object tracker. It comes with a gesture control. It is a very light in weight. It is foldable and can be kept in pocket very easily. I will definitely show you the things. First of all, you can see it is a Cubo guide. There is also warranty guide. All the Cubo products are listed. You are getting a carrying case, which is a good thing. In the box you are getting a user manual, and also if you scan the QR code you can access the app. In the box you are also getting the gimbal. Here you can see the handheld gimbal, and also you get a swivel tripod mount. So I will show you how you can do that. There are a few ports. I will talk each and everything in detail. So here you can fix the tripod mount, and it comes with the gripped one, so it will not fail easily, so don't worry for that. I will show you while shooting also and how you can use it in a practical day life. In the box you are also getting a lanyard cable, and there is also the charging cable. This is a type C charging port. So I am just trying to charge it. It takes around 80 minutes to do the full charge and it will last around 5 hours. Now talking about that, how to put the lanyard. There are holes in which you can pass through and fix the lanyard with the gimbal. Now talking about the gimbal, you can put it through the tripod, and here you can mount. You can slide into the portrait and the landscape mode. It is very easy. I will show you that later. If we go through the app, this is a separate app which is a Cubo Pro app. This is not the Cubo app, this is the Cubo Pro app. I will definitely share the link below in the description section so that you can download. It is available for iOS and also for Android. Currently it is not connected. For connection you need to have the Bluetooth on and you need to pair it. It comes with the name of G7, and then after that there are a few numbers, so I will definitely request you to check that. It has few modes like photo mode, video mode, time-lapse mode. In the grid also you get a different kind of grid where you have a center focus, grid arrangement. You can change that. There are few things which you can play it around. Even if you see, there is space tracking and object tracking. Coming to the modes, here are few modes. It includes the first person view, even sports, walking. It has a lock it. We will talk about the modes later on. If you go to the settings, there are two settings which comes with the joystick setting, in which you have a movement speed control. You can have the fast movement, medium or slow movement. You have the pan reverse and tilt reverse, which you can change according to your need. So I will definitely recommend you to see these before using it in practical. You can record into 4K 1080p and also HD. So these are the recording. This is currently for the back camera. Here you can see the Bluetooth connection is done, so it will show you Bluetooth connected with a green light. And other than that, you are getting a flash. You can also have a timer you can set. You can use the gesture feature, thumbs up for the start or start the video or take a picture. For stopping it, you just have to show a thumbs down. Now if you want to go back, there is a back arrow, and in the bottom you have a gallery option. Now coming to the modes, first of all the power button. If you press it single time, it will go from horizontal to vertical, and if you press it twice, it will go to photo mode or the video mode. If you press triple time, it will go from front to rear camera. And now we have four modes, which is FPV, which is first person view, which used for pan, tilt, roll axis. There is LF mode, there is AF, which is all follow, and there is HF, which is half follow. In the middle you are getting the joystick and the Bluetooth connection pair. Also on the left you are getting a type C USB charging port. On the right you are getting a zoom button. On the back side you are getting a shutter key, which is a switch. It can take a picture and also shoot or stop the video while recording. So these are the buttons. If you go to the bottom side, here you can see the battery percentage and the battery lights. I will tell you, if you have all the four lights constant, it means there is 100% battery. If you have fourth light flashing, it means it has 76 to 99%. Three lights means 50% to 75%. two lights means 26% to 49%, one light means 0 to 25%. Here you can see that the gimbal is very small and compact, and it does can be kept in a pocket too. Now I will show you one more thing, and which is a very minute detail. Here you can see once you fold, it will lock and it will not move in your pocket, so there is nothing that it can break. You can see there are three locks, and this will actually prevent from the accidental damage of the gimbal. Now coming to the gimbal, here you can see it is very easy, it looks very fluently. I will show you how it uses. And the middle is the bigger button, which is a joystick. It is basically to move left, right, up, down. It functions very easily. Now here you can see I am just switching on the buttons. If you go to the buttons, you have a first person view, which is for pan, tilt and roll axis. Now next is the LF, which is lock full. This will be fixed in only one direction if you are taking a portrait or a landscape mode. Now there is AF, which is all follow, which is for left, right or up and down. And there is half follow, which is for only left, right. So this is half follow. I will definitely show you each and everything in detail. Now let's check it out how you can shoot actually using this gimbal. So first is the portrait mode. This can be used for Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts, and this is how you have to hold your phone, and this how it will look. So this is the portrait mode. Now going to the work mode, which I will recommend you if you are a YouTuber or you are doing a vlogging. This will the best and the beneficial way to go with. And there is few more things which you can try out as a creator. Then the next one is the side grip mode. So here how you have to handle for the side grip mode. It is very easy to just up to the content creator how he wants to show his audience. Now this is the underslung mode. You have to rotate it completely 180 degree. It will take some time and practice to master in the doing the video shooting. Accidentally I didn't show a thumbs up, but I showed my palm and it starts the video recording. So you can see the gesture feature, even showing the palm, it also does the video recording. Now coming to the price, it comes with a very attractive price of 6,990. It will be going on sale through the official website, and it comes with the tilt of 100 degree. It has a roll angle of 325 degree, pan angle of 340 degree. So this is what you are getting. It takes around 80 minutes to do the full charge from 0 to 100%. And if you talk about the playback time, it is 5 hours, which is huge, and any of your smartphone may die while shooting because 5 hours is too much. One con what I felt in this gimbal is that it needs a continuous internet connection. Without an internet connection, it will not work. The app will not launch. So this is one thing that I definitely think that the Cubo needs to fix, and it can be fixed very easily with a software update. So this is what we are getting with the Cubo handheld gimbal. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.